Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore issue triage using linear roadmaps, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin restoring issue triage using linear roadmaps, first, open your linear account. Navigate to the Projects tab located on the left-hand side. Identify the project you want to work on. Click on the project to open its details. Next, look for the roadmap section within the project. Select the Add Issue button to start creating new entries. Fill in the necessary details for the issues, including title, description, and priority. Assign relevant team members to each issue by using the Assignee field. Make sure to set proper due dates for each issue to keep the team on track. Once all issues are added, review them for clarity and completeness. Next, prioritize the issues using Linear's drag-and-drop functionality. Arrange them based on urgency and importance to enhance your workflow. Create sections within the roadmap if your project consists of different phases or categories. To categorize issues, use tags or labels for better organization. After categorizing, review the roadmap with your team for any additional input. Make adjustments based on their feedback to ensure everyone is aligned. As you progress, regularly check the status of each issue within the roadmap. Monitor the completion of tasks and update the status accordingly. Use the filter options to view specific types of issues when needed. Finally, maintain regular updates to ensure your roadmap remains accurate and relevant. Consistent review and adjustment of your roadmap will enhance issue triage efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.